Fine, thanks. And you?
It is fine. Where are you up to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week and it's to start studying.
Oh no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later.
What time is it? You're going to be late.
It's a quarter after 7. We are on time. Don't panic.
But I thought we had to be at the restaurant by 7:50 for the surprise party. Well, never make it there with all this administration.
Sure, we will. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party starts at 8 o'clock. But I do need help with directions. Can you call the restaurant and ask them where we park our car? Hi, Alice. It's John. How are you?
Oh, hi John. I was just thinking about you.
That's nice. I was wondering if you'd like to go to the movies tonight.
Sure. I'd love to. What's playing?
I was thinking about that new comedy Lighthouse. What do you think?
Sounds really.
Okay, I'll pick you up around 7:30. The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Well, hello there, Julia. Long time no see.
Me? Hi. What a coincidence. I have not seen you in ages. What are you doing here?
So I'm shopping for some clothes. Hey, what do you think about this trade?
Well, you know how much I love blue. See, I've got a same shirt.
You almost did. I have good taste. But a small world.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for Yes, I'm looking for a sweater with a size medium.
Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
I think it's a rather complicated blue.
Okay, here's blue in a medium. What do you like to try it out?
Okay. Yes, I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $50. It will be $63 with
Perfect. I like